Okay, so we got this Range Rover Velar 2019 in. What we've done is we installed factory style rear headrest screens on this vehicle. So as you can see, these are the screens installed. We've got two screens in the back, all original looking. As you can see, there is no wire showing as well, so it looks like it's part of the car. It's running full Android, and you can use any app you want that you'd use on an Android phone. So if you've got kids, they can watch YouTube and stuff like that in the back. So you got video you can watch on here. So you can also connect up Bluetooth headphones if you do want to. It does have support for that. You also have support on the back here. As you can see, you got support for USB, HDMI, SD card, as well as a headphone jack input. So on this system, it's running full Android, so you've got access to various apps, and also you can download various apps. So you've got YouTube app there, you've got the Play Store here, which you can use your Google account to log in and download any app you want into the system. And yeah, you can have stuff like Netflix as well on here. If you want this installed on your Range Rover or any other vehicle, we can install it on any vehicle that has support for the headrest bars. This system can be installed, so give us a call on 028 554 5554, or come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gansil, IG2 6QA. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.